for you. Your birthday song. Oh, by the way, holding the mic. That's Mel. Say hi, Mel.
Hello.
Anyway,
Hello.
we want to say to you today. My head has been cut off. Happy birthday to you today, and sing you the family birthday song. So here it goes. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. I'm sorry, I can't do this quite yet because Mel told me the last time I practiced it, I was flipping you off. And I don't want to do that today, so I'm going to try it one more time. Ready? Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, 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 happy birthday. Happy, 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 happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Is that long enough for you? It was long enough for me. Happy, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday,